You know, say I tell una say I go dey give an update about phone accessories and so many things about phone. The update I won't give you. This update now, if now for you, where they change your charging point every day. If they work your charging point, they work out. This update now for you. See, I new stuff. Stocks don't come back. All these things they see like this. If you go to your engineer shop, I just give you an example. And for you, your charging point, they work out every day. If you go to your engineer shop, let's see, you go tell her say you don't want to change this iron. I'll give you an example. Say you don't want to change this thing. Say you don't want to change this thing. Say if you change and your charging point they spoil. Say see what you want to change. You want to change the suburb. If you change this thing now, you see that your phone. You go take time before the charging point spoil. This update now for people they say every day they work my charging point, every day they work my charging point. Go tell your engineer say na suburb you want change. Say you don't want to repair that charging, you want change and complete.